Welcome to 3815 Ayrshire Avenue. This wonderful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, brick ranch style home with hardwood floors, a huge yard. It's located in the River Drive area of Columbia. It's convenient to downtown area interstates and also Broad River Road and the Irmo area as well. We're in the front of the home, and you can see there is a huge yard out front, and there's also a huge backyard, which you'll see as well. But one thing you don't notice in the front is a driveway, and that is because it is a rear entry driveway and garage, so it comes from the opposite side, from the backyard. But we'll take a look at that once we get around that side. We're just going to walk right across the grass here up to the front. So you have a covered front porch. Really nice size. And then as we step into the front door, right into the foyer, you can see you have some beautiful hardwood floors, real hardwoods that have been nicely refinished as well. And we enter into the foyer, and then to the right side, our formal living room. You have a ceiling fan in this room, as you do in most of the rooms of the house. And this leads you right through to the formal dining room. You have some chair rail molding there and two-tone paint. Nice chandelier, and you even have one of those swing-through doors. So you can see this door actually swings out to this side, but it swings to open into the kitchen as well. And just looking back towards the formal dining room there. You have tile flooring in the kitchen, eat-in area in here as well. Ceiling fan. There's also a nice-sized pantry. And you have a separate wall oven there. Side-by-side refrigerator with water and ice dispenser in the door, and those are in stainless steel. And then you have a smooth ceramic top electric range there, and the sink overlooks the backyard. You can have some nice sort of built-in shelving there along the side of the sink. This door leads you out to your 2-car garage. You do have an automatic opener for the garage. Really nice size garage, even has a window, so great place to do some woodworking and any kind of other, crafts or hobbies you have as well without the natural lighting. And there also it's also where your washer and dryer connections are, as well as a utility sink. So a very functional space. And then right off the kitchen, you have a family room. You can see the really nice sort of handcrafted wood paneling in the ceiling there. You have a wood-burning fireplace here. The nice large brick hearth and some built-in shelving on the wall here. And we're going to take you right outside here to the backyard. So off the back of the home, you have a brick patio, and then you can see huge backyard. You have a beautiful tree here. It's a bird bath over there, and quite a large yard. I'm actually going to walk you out just a bit so you can get a better feel for what this looks like, because you kind of can't tell. You'll be able to see in the pictures as well, but you can see the entry to the garage there. And there's also a detached deck, as well as just some more seating, bench seating and stuff over here under this tree. But you can see that garage. Hopefully you can see that from here. Sort of loops down around, and in the write-up for the home as well, we'll also have information on the cross streets to access the back driveway in case you want to come in that way. So going right back in, we'll take a quick look at the rest of the house and get you out of here. All right. So on off the family room into the hallway here. See those beautiful hardwood floors continue. You have 3 bedrooms again, ceiling fans in all 3. And you do have some nice sort of cool custom closets. You can see up top there, those 2 doors do open. There's some additional storage space, so great use of that. And just a standard size closet there with some roller doors on a track. And then you have a bathroom here. So there's a coat closet on the left. Sorry about the darkness. And linen closet on your right. And then in the bathroom, tile sink there. And then you have a shower and tub behind those frosted glass doors. And another linen closet here as well. All right, then on down the hall, You have your master bedroom, 2 closets in the master. So basically the same setup as in the second and third bedroom, but just multiply it by 2. Then your bathroom here. You have a single sink and then a walk-in shower behind that frosted glass door, and it's tiled on the inside. And then last but not least, your third and final bedroom of the home. Very similar setup to the one that is right next door. So again, the address here, 3815 Ayrshire Avenue. And we'll have the exact name of the neighborhood in the listing right up as well. But you can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.